Hello all, welcome to the day 22 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Flower beds add beauty to a garden. In a circular park of radius r meters, two sectors are planted with flowers. One of the sectors, which subtends an angle of 90° at the center, is planted with red roses. The other sector, having a central angle of 60°, contains yellow flowers. The combined area of these two flower-filled sectors is 256 2 by 3 square meter. Based on this information, answer the following questions. There are two shaded regions. The yellow flower segment subtends an angle of 60° at the center. The red roses segment subtend an angle of 90° at the center. To get the area of the red roses segment, we have to consider this 90° sector, from which we have to subtract the area of that triangle. The same way, to get the area of the yellow flower sector, we have to consider the area of 60° sector minus the area of that triangle. The sum of these two have been given already. So with that, we have to get the expression in terms of R. Yellow segment area is area of 60° sector minus area of 60° triangle, which is 60 upon 360 into pi r square minus root 3 by 4 r square, which is pi r square upon 6 minus root 3 by 4 r square. The area of the red segment is area of 90° sector minus area of 90° triangle, which is 90 upon 360 into pi r square minus the base and the height of the 90° triangle is r only, which is half r square. This gives us pi r square by 4 minus r square by 2. Total area of two segments, that is yellow and the red. Yellow segment plus red rose segment. This is given as 256 2 by 3. Yellow segment is pi r square upon 6 minus root 3 by 4 r square. Red rose segment is pi r square upon 4 minus r square by 2, which is equal to 770 upon 3. We have two like terms in the LHS. On adding these two, we get 5 pi r square by 12 minus root 3 by 4 r square minus r square by 2, which is equal to 770 by 3. Let's make the LCM as 12. So left hand side becomes 5 pi r square minus 3 root 3 r square minus 6 r square is equal to 770 by 3, which gives us 5 pi r square minus 6 r square minus 3 root 3 r square, which is equal to 770 times 4, that is 3080. So this is the expression of the total area in terms of R. Question 2. Find the value of R. 5 pi r square minus 6 r square minus 3 root 3 r square is equal to 3080. Taking r square common, we get 5 pi minus 6 minus 3 root 3 times r square equal to 3080. r square times 5 into 3.14 minus 6 minus 3 into 1.732, which is 3080. R square times 4.504 is 3080. R square is 3080 by 4.504, which gives us 683.83. R is the square root of this value, which is 26.15. Question 3. Find the area of the segment with red roses. The red roses area is pi r square by 4 minus r square by 2. 3.14 times 26.15 the whole square upon 4 minus 26.15 the whole square upon 2, which gives us 536.8 minus 341.9, that is 194.8 meter square. Question 4. Find the area of the segment with yellow flowers. Yellow segment area is equal to pi r square by 6 minus root 3 by 4 r square. Substituting r's value, we get 3.14 times 26.15 the whole square upon 6 minus root 3 by 4 into 26.15 the whole square, which gives us 357.9 minus 296.1, that is 61.8 meter square. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.